Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right process: MIG for speed, TIG for precision, stick for thick or rusty pieces, because each heats and penetrates differently. Once chosen, fit the correct filler wire or rod, set polarity and voltage per material thickness, and clamp the parts squarely. This prevents warping. Make sure you don eye, skin, and lung protection and clear flammable items. Begin with a short tack weld to lock alignment. It gives control and confirms settings before you commit to full beads. You now run the main passes, focusing on consistency. A steady travel speed makes uniform penetration and avoids burn-through. Keep the electrode or torch angle slightly tilted, about 10 to 20 degrees, so the molten pool flows toward the joint. Make short, overlapping beads rather than one long pass when controlling heat is essential. This prevents warping and keeps penetration even. Once done with a pass, cool briefly and scrape slag or oxide so subsequent passes fuse correctly. Repeat until the joint is. You finish by cleaning and dressing the weld to inspect fusion quality. Grind gently to reveal any undercut or porosity and look for cracks. If you see porosity, reduce contamination by recleaning surfaces, swap to a drier filler, and re-weld at slightly lower travel speed. If cracks appear, remove the defect back to solid metal and re-weld with proper preheat. Make a fit or load test to confirm strength, and when required, perform simple post-weld heating to relieve stress and avoid failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.